All right, day 4, we are doing a Mosaic Cross. This is for junior and primaries. We are actually in Europe today, and in Europe there are a lot of different cathedrals that have different stained glass windows. So that's where we tie in with this as well, since we're in Europe. The one we're going to show you today is the more junior primary one, and we're going to start off with placing a black square in front of you, and you're going to take your CD and you're going to line it up centered on there, and using a pencil or pen you're going to trace around it so you have the pattern of the CD on there. Then you're going to flip it over and you're going to begin placing colored squares close together, not touching, so you have a little bit of black in between there to show. You're going to try and keep the blue colors. There's 2 different color greens, 2 colors of blue. You wanted to try and keep those kind of close together because again it's trying to represent both the water and the land part of things. So you simply kind of glue stick across. You're going to place them on there as well, and just like so, and you're going to continue across all the way each row with blues and greens, different colors, till you get something like this. Okay, so once you have your full pattern of colors onto there, we're going to actually make your cross. So as you go on, so you're going to start with glue sticking the white square to the center of the 3rd row from the top. Next, you're going to glue the memory verse onto the white square. All right. Now glue stick 1 white square above, 1 on each side. And 2 below to create your cross. All right, once you have your cross and everything on the front, then you're going to flip it over, and then you're going to use your pattern that you've traced around your CD, and you're going to cut that out. As she's cutting that out, we do have a simpler version where it's simply, you can use a full pattern one that we have in the packet. We can cut out the cross with the verse already on it and place it right onto the center. Those are good for also the pre-primary course. All right, now that she has that cut out, you're going to simply glue that onto the one side that has any kind of writing markings or anything on that for the pattern. Press it down really good, like so. And there's your Mosaic Cross. You do have an option as well, which you can kind of tell on our originals here, that you can use Mod Podge on it. For us, just for something cheap, we use just like a simple popsicle stick with a little bit of a sponge rubber banded on there that you can Mod Podge and just brush it on there. It doesn't take real long to dry, but you can give it more of a shimmer if you want to try and do that.